the lung with mudras. So there are 4 mudras. The first one is where your thumb, the tip of your thumb, touches the tip of your index finger.
Keep the only 2 mudras. Only 2 mudras.
Okay,
yesterday,
only 2. Okay.
Yesterday only
like
2 mudra. You remember from one lungs?
Yes. I remember, Guruji. Yeah. So first I'm demonstrating the mudra position. So it's called the beauty mudra or the Sundar mudra, chin mudra. So where, again, to remind, the tip of the thumb touches the tip of the forefinger. And like this is the mudra position. You have to bring them over both of your knees. So obviously the right palm in this position on your right knee and the left palm in this mudra position on your left knee. Now we'll be enhancing the lung capacity. So first, we'll be closing the right nostril. Obviously, you're lifting up your palm to close your right nostril with your right index finger. And then your left palm is still in this mudra position over your left knee. And then you're inhaling, assuming you just have one lung. That is, you just have one left lung. That is one lung, which is a left lung. You have to inhale a deep breath, covering your right nostril with attention on your left lung. And once you have inhaled like that, tighten your palm. So the position which is like this, you have to tighten it, and then hold it. After you have inhaled a long, deep breath, tighten it, hold it, and then gradually you have to releasing the position of the palm. So you'll still be in the chin mudra, but the 3 fingers which you have tightened will loosen. Okay. So when you're releasing it, release it. After you have released it, hold your breath again. After you have released it, hold your breath and repeat. So you do that for 4 times. That's a total of
5 times.
Total of 5. You have done it once, you have repeated 4 times, which is a total of 5. Now the converse of it. The converse of it is you bring your right palm in the chin mudra like this. You keep it over your right knee and you release your left palm. Now you hold your left nostril with your left index finger. The goal here is now you're focusing on your right lung, assuming you just have one lung, which is on the right side of it. So you repeat the whole. I'll just demonstrate that again. So you inhale a deep breath, long deep breath. And after I have inhaled, I have to tighten the remaining 3 fingers of my right palm. It's already in the chin mudra, but I have to tighten the remaining 3 fingers. So I'm going like this after I have inhaled. Then you have to hold the breath. After you have inhaled, you have tightened your palm, hold your breath. Now again release with your right nostril. So you did that once, you repeat that 4 more times. So it's total of 5. So now we have accomplished total 10 sets. That is, we take a breath in with your left nostril, released with your left 5 times in the same mudra position, and then tightening, holding, releasing. Likewise from the right side. Now we have accomplished both. The final one is, now you go back to that mudra position like this. Keep them on both of your palms, both your palms on both of your knees. Now you're activating both your lungs. So technically you're bringing awareness to both your lungs. So you inhale with both the regular inhale through both your nostrils, a deep long inhale. Once I have inhaled, I have to tighten both my palms again in the same position, the remaining fingers, hold. As far as you can hold, please hold, and then release. And then, you exhale out gently while you're releasing the remaining 3 fingers. So you did that once, repeat that 4 more times. So totally it's 5. So in this set, we have accomplished 15 long, deep breaths in and out, once focusing on the left lung, once on the right lung, supporting it with the corresponding nostril, and then finally with 5 times with both your nostrils and focusing on both lungs. So that completes one set in one mudra, which is the chin mudra. Next one is the Chinmay mudra. It's just an extension of that. Only here the mudra position changes. So again, to repeat, the tip of the thumb touches the tip of the index finger, both. And Guruji, in this we hold it like this, right?
In this case, in the first of all, we have to keep both hands like this, and from left lung, this open. First this one, then second one chin mudra. Okay.
Okay. I swapped the sequence. Sorry.
मैंने
Please do
बेटा
this first.
बेटा कल मुद्रा योग बताया था, पहले आपके खुले हाथों से पहले
Okay.
आपकी लेफ्ट लंग्स पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर दो, पहले हाथ लेफ्ट हाथ को बंद कर दो, सांस खोलो तो खोल दो, राइट। ऐसा 5 बार करना है, ऐसा राइट 5 बार करना है। उसके बाद 5 बार अपने दोनों नोस्ट्रल से दोनों लंग्स के साथ तेजी से करना है ना। उसके बाद सेकंड टाइम में वह मुद्रा करना है जो आपने समझाई थी। ओके, ऐसा हमने कल एक्सप्लेन किया था। कल थोड़ा सा वो मुद्रा का चेंज हो गया है ना, बट वेरी ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्लेन। जस्ट बता दे वापस बेटा एक बार।
The sequence. So, sorry, Guruji, my internet was not stable. So the first.
Okay, now I think Jaya explained very beautifully.
So just to correct myself, sorry. Okay, sorry, Guruji.
अच्छा, Jaya explained very beautifully. मतलब we want, normally we are taking the breath by the both lungs, right? Now we are giving our 100% to only one lungs, and just see the what is the difference you will feel. Your whole attention will go to the left lung. In that case, you are able more expand, and you take inhale more breath by your left lungs. The same do vice versa with the right lungs. You will feel, and when you do with the both lungs, that time you feel you are able to inhale more breath, more hold, and more exhaling. And whenever you are inhaling, holding, and exhaling capacity increase, automatically your lung capacity will start working more. Yes. So in the first step, first normally keep for you one hand like this. You feel my hand is here on the knees. Okay. And focusing on the left nostril, left lung, cover your right nostril, inhale, feel that you have only one lung, left lung. And you tight your this left hand. Tight, fully tight. And when you exhale, release. 5 sets. Okay. Then after that, with the cover left nostril and right nostril, cover your this finger touching and tightness start working in the different manner in your whole body. Okay. And after, with the both hand, tight the both hand. Okay. I'm not holding, but I'm just explaining you. Okay. After then, you have to do it what Jaya explained. You covered it for remaining 3 fingers. Okay, got it? आप समझ गए? मेरे ख्याल से अधिकांश लोग थे, शायद पूनम और नीलम कर नहीं थे कुछ लोग, वो मैं समझाते जाऊंगा आपको साथ में. Okay. So first, keep your window in the front of you, both hands like this, and see your own photo is a very beautiful. You are very blessed person. Your face is a God for yourself. Only you can help yourself. Nobody can help. You watch your face on. Forget other face. Forget my face. Nobody. Just see your face on. And just be in the Namaskar Mudra. And expand with like this along with the breath. Once more. Once more. Now we found that your coronavirus is in your home and eat your right hand palm. We have to kill with the help of our left hand, right? Start 11 times. Feel that coronavirus is here. You have to kill it. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my God! It come on the left hand. Kill the from left hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my God! It's come on the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my God! It's come on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, my God, he come in the both end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then in the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clean your fingers by finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good, very good. Coronavirus is destroyed from your house. Okay. Now keep the both hand like this. Both hand like this. Feel some force is pulling you up. Oh my God. Some force is pulling you, don't want to go up. Oh my God, I am still want to live on the earth. You will forget Kudas. Okay, leave it. Keep the hand going. Both hand. Oh my God, feel some force is pulling you up. You did very well. Just give kudos to yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Appreciate yourself. 1, 2, very good. Keep 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Spine straight. Keep your eyes closed. Visualize the face to whom you love most. उसका चेहरा याद करें जो आपको सबसे अधिक प्यार करता है. आप जिसको प्यार करते हैं, टू whom you love most. Just recall your own name. What is your name? Along with the name, just think about your 5-element body. अपने नाम पर अपना ध्यान ले आए. इस नाम से जुड़े इस शरीर पर अपना ध्यान ले आए. कहीं भी पीड़ा शरीर में हो, any pain in the body, any chronic health issue, just become aware of that portion. Now cover your right nostrils by one finger. Open your left hand palm. Focus on your left lung. अपने बाएं फेफड़े पर ध्यान. सीधा नोस्ट्रल्स राइट फिंगर से बंद करें और लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रल से एक ही लंग से लंबी गहरी श्वास भरें और मुट्ठी साथ में बंद करें. होल्ड करें जब तक होल्ड कर सकते हैं. श्वास बाहर करें और मुट्ठी को भी खोल दें. नाउ लेट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रल. टाइट मुट्ठी बंद. Release the breath. Release fully breath. Now inhale again. Tight your left palm as much you can. Whenever you round over, close your left nostril and do with the help of right lungs and right nostril. सीधे लंग से और सीधे नोस्ट्रल से श्वास भरते रहे. Now do with the both hand and both nostrils, both lungs together when your rounds complete. Spine straight. Legs. Take rest. If your body allow, you can go with second posture. अगर आपका शरीर अनुमति देता है तो दूसरे पोस्चर के साथ जाएं. फिंगर्स और उसके पास के इंडेक्स फिंगर दोनों को मिला लें. राइट नोस्ट्रल्स को बंद कर लें. लेफ्ट लंग्स की हेल्प से पुनः 5 बार श्वास भरें. रिमेनिंग फिंगर्स को टाइट करें व्हेन योर इनहेलिंग इज ओवर. If your round complete, then go with the right nostrils and right lungs. If you are in a meditation, leave it. with both hand, chin mudra, beauty mudra. शरीर को ढीला छोड़, relax the body. I don't want anything. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Whole attention on your breath. अपनी श्वासों पर ध्यान. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए इस भाव के साथ. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Sada Shiva. Hara, 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 Hara. Mahadeva. Shiva, 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 Sada Shiva. Hara, 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 Mahadeva. Om Namo, Namo, Namah Shivaya. 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 Shiva, 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 Sada Shiva. Hara, 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 Mahadeva. Shiva, 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 Sada Shiva. Hara, 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 Mahadeva. Om Namo, Namo, Namah Shivaya. 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 Om Namo, Namo, Namah वॉच योर बॉडी एज ए वीवर। एक साक्षी भाव से इस पंचतर शरीर को देखें। इस पंचतत्व शरीर में कहीं भी कोई व्याधि हो, रोग हो, दर्द हो, उस पर ध्यान ले जाए। बिकम अवेयर ऑफ योर ओन बॉडी, एनी क्रोनिकल हेल्थ इशू, एनी पेन, फोकस ऑन दैट पार्ट, उस पर अपना ध्यान रखें। Now, any your family member is suffering from any chronic health issue. अगर आपका कोई परिवार का सदस्य, रिश्तेदार किसी भी शारीरिक व्याधि से ग्रस्त है, उस पर भी अपना ध्यान ले जाए। बिकम अवेयर ऑफ दैट रिलेशन ऑल्सो। Now with your divine element, with the guard particle, pray, heal and bless to all the participants in the group. Those are seeking any type of prayer from health, relation. Let's pray each other. Now collectively go toward your city, hospitals where the COVID patients are there. Your city hospitals, any people, those are in the quarantine, not in your city, not in your country, in all over the globe, any country, anyone is suffering from any type of pandemic issue, let's collectively pray for it. Om Dayambagam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivaranam Urvarukamiva Bandhanam Muttora Muksheyamamrita. Om Dayambagam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivaranam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Muttora Muksheyamamrita. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivaranam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Muttora Muksheyamamrita. Just pray, heal, and bless to whole the globe. Now become aware of your throat area, throat side. अपने कंठ पर अपना ध्यान ले आए. Become aware of your throat, and let's pay the gratitude to all doctors, paramedical staff of all over the globe. Those are working very hard to keeping safe our in the house. सभी डॉक्टर्स के लिए, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ के लिए एक कृतज्ञ प्रणाम, एक प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ओरा संयुक्त रूप से दे. लेट्स प्रे, हील एंड ब्लेस टू ऑल ऑफ देम. Administration, police, those are working very hard. Out of your house, आपके घर के बाहर, उनका भी परिवार है. Everyone have the family. Let's pray, heal and bless to all of them. कृपा करो प्रभु, कृपा करो प्रभु, कृपा करो. Whole attention on the breath. प्रभु कृपा करो, 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 प्रभु कृपा करो. ओम पितृगणाय विद्महे जगतधारिण धीमहि तन्नो पितरो प्रचोदयात्. Just become aware of your own name. अपने नाम पर अपना ध्यान. Become aware of your own body. And just offer a divine hug to yourself own. Hug yourself. Hug this 5-element body with the both palms. Like a child, how you do, offer love. जिस प्रकार बच्चे को प्यार करते हैं, उसी प्रकार दोनों हाथों से पंच तत्व के शरीर को डिवाइन हग दें. नाउ अपने शरीर के साथ अपने होठों पर अपना ध्यान ले आए और एक कृतज्ञ मुस्कान के साथ, तृप्त मुस्कान के साथ अपनी आंखें आहिस्ता आहिस्ता होले होले अपना समय लेते हुए खोल सकते हैं. यू कैन ओपन योर आईज अलोंग विथ एन स्माइल. फील द ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. पानी का ग्लास भरें. cover by your right hand and drink water via your chakras. कभी आप लोगों ने एक चीज नोट करी, बिफोर our prayer or before our meditation or any yoga mudra or any prayer, after this you just note it from tomorrow, you just see your everybody's face, हर व्यक्ति का चेहरा निखर आता है, दिव्यता आती है, दिव्यता, डिवाइनिटी। जस्ट समझें आप अपनी अंदरूनी शक्तियों को, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योर ओन पावर। You are on your own self, you are good healer. Your body is good healing. Can you believe it? Everybody is fighting about the antibodies. Increase the immunity. What is this? This is your body protector, which is blessed by the God. But we reduce them due to our way of style, daily routine. हमारे रोज के जिस प्रकार क्रम है, उससे हमने ही हमारी इम्यूनिटी पावर को खत्म कर दिया। सोचें इस बारे में, चिंतन करें कि हमें कितना ध्यान प्रकृति का भी रखना है, क्योंकि ये चिंतन का समय है। 4th हाउस में पूरा है, आपका वर्क हाउस भी आपका 4th हाउस में है, आपके लंग्स भी 4th हाउस में है, जिनको बचाने में लगे, आपके पूरे शरीर को, मतलब 4th हाउस इज रूलिंग योर होल बॉडी। एज पर मी, ये डिवाइन, आप अगर इंडिविजुअल चार्ट देखेंगे उसमें समझ में नहीं आएगा, मे बी पॉसिबल यू आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। डू इट। एंड जस्ट आई वांट ए ओपिनियन about the tomorrow's prayer. I request all of them, you join along with her mother element, and with we collectively we are going to do the miracle tomorrow, and collectively prayer we do for the pandemic. And tomorrow is the International Mother's Day, and tomorrow 10:30 in the morning time we will pray also in the 10:30. Try to join there at that time also. We do something along with the Chakra Pranayama, Mudra Yoga and Bhasma Yoga. All three together controlled with the prayer. Anybody who can participate in the morning 10:30 a.m., please join. Because in the morning 10:30, maybe possible it's uncomfortable for US guys, but let's see, you just watch it, because every time we decided 10:30 हमने decide करके रखा, कल 10:30 पे आप जरूर आए, अपनी मातृ भाव के साथ, अपनी मातृ शक्ति के साथ और अपनी मां की कृपा के साथ। मेरा पूरा विश्वास है कल का दिन आप लोगों के लिए कुछ अद्भुत होगा। और मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज टुमारो सुबह उठते से गिव ए कॉल to your brother or your sister to whom you're not talking, just ask directly how are you. और मैं तो सोच रही थी पहले से फोन लगाना, ले, don't talk rubbish. How are you, sister? Today is the Mother Day. We come from the same mother, so that day is a very good full. So I used to talk in the same intent. She will talk with you or he will talk with you. वह भी उसी इंटेंस से आपसे बात करेगा। यही तो दिन आते हैं। उस अगर आपने फोन लगाया, ज्यादा क्या होगा, फोन नहीं उठाएगा, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, रूडली जवाब देगा। अगर आप इतना बोलोगे तो मेरा सोचना 99% कोई आपसे इस प्रकार से बात नहीं करेगा। और उसकी खुशी, जिसकी खुशी के लिए आप जी रहे हो, जिसका दिन कल है, वह दिन सार्थक होगा। यस, एवरीबॉडी join tomorrow 8:30 at the PM along with your mothers, and tomorrow 10:30 AM for Bhasma Yoga. Join with them. Okay? Be happy, take care of yourself, take care of your smile. खुश रहे, सुखी रहे, समृद्ध रहे, आरोग्य रहे।